How to reset your Mac password if you forgot it without losing any data. So if you want to reset your Mac login password if you forgot it, then let's start. Click the question mark icon which is next to the password field. If you don't see a question mark, shut down your Mac and restart. Here you can see the password hint, but if you've forgotten, then simply tap on reset it. If you associated your user account with your Apple ID, you can see your Apple ID to reset your login password. Click the arrow next to reset it. Using your Apple ID, enter your Apple ID and password, then click reset password. If you're asked to create a new keychain to store the user's passwords, click OK to restart your Mac. A reset password window will pop up. Here again enter your Apple ID and click next. Enter your Apple ID password and then click on next. Enter your verification code sent to your mobile. Select the account and click next. Enter your new password and again verify your new password and enter your password hint and then click on next. When the password reset process has been completed, click restart, log in with your new password, and that's it. That's how you can reset your Mac password if you forgot it without losing any data. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.